Hey guys, I'm the Cyborg Sheep, and welcome to the Weekend Post. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Osmo Mobile 2. This is an exceptionally awesome device, and will make shooting videos from my phone way better. So let's get started unboxing this thing. As you can see, we got the guide for the quick starts. Don't want to read that, but I guess in this case I might. Anyway, let's get this thing open. There we go. Wow! Oh, got some gravity in it. Sweet. Made that mistake. Not. This thing is cool. Got a little joystick there for moving around. It's got a power button. It's got a zoom button. Wow, that's I wonder how that works. And additionally, you got oh, micro B. Garbage! At least it's universal though, and any charge cable will work. Speaking of being universal, check this out. It can be mounted on tripods. Not that you would really want to, but it has the capability to do so. Pretty neat. Alright, so looks like in this case, no charge on it. So, what's next is we'll have to let her done charged up. So, I'll get on that, and I'll be back when it's finished. Alright, so, fully charged. Charge took around, I'd say it felt like maybe 3 hours, thereabouts. In the book it says it's supposed to take 2 hours, so I guess maybe what they're doing is they give it to you, and the way the battery works is it's like completely dead. There's no voltage on it, and what they do is they bring it up slowly, and then when it's at around 3.7, it goes up to the full charge current. But anyways, so let's start it up. Getting it started up should have been relatively straightforward. Since it's a DJI product, all you need to do is press the button once to see the charge state, and then you press and hold it to turn the device on. However, the first time I tried that, nothing happened. I tried it with my phone installed on it too, and I got the same results. What I hadn't done yet is set up the device through the app. And as you can see, that's what I'm trying to do right now. However, the app I was using, it's the same app that I use for my drone, it wasn't able to find my Osmo. And technically by this point, the Osmo was connected to my phone through Bluetooth, so it should have worked. The deal with the Osmo 2 is that, although it was released after the Phantom 4, it still uses the app for devices released before the Phantom 4. So, with the right app installed, I launched the app and work through the setup process. And as you can see by my phone being stabilized, the device is now functional. Alright, so after loads of setup, you can see, no matter which way I tilt it, the phone will stay steady no matter what I do. So, let's see here. Welcome. Take this tutorial to know more about the Osmo Mobile 2. Alright. Ready. Alright, continue. Left, right, up, and down. Well, that's opposite, but still. Next. This lets you move the camera smoothly without moving the handle. Okay, cool. Next, press the M button at the front of the Osmo 2 while rotating the handle around. So, if I press this button, you can see that the light here has turned yellow, and so previously, I'll show you the difference here. So I'll go back to here. So if you turn it like this, it'll turn to match the angle or the direction that you're pointing at. But if I rotate it back and then I press the button, it won't change the direction it's pointing in. It'll just stay focused on the one spot. So, another cool little neat thing that you can do is, so if you tilt it beyond a certain point, it starts to rotate the camera. What you can do is, if you keep rotating it this way, it knows to automatically flip it between landscape and portrait mode. Kinda neat. Alright, the one last cool little thing you can do with this is it has a zoom button like right on the gimbal. So it's just sorta right there on the side of that little knob. So what you do is basically you can point it at a subject, and then if you point it the right way, it can zoom in and zoom out. Pretty neat. Alright, so you've seen how it looks like at the auto show, just walking around. But let's give the Osmo 2 a little bit more of a challenge this time. Let's get on the rink. Anyways, so, not perfect, but gotta get used to the settings. I think that's pretty much it. Anyways, guys, I think I'm going to leave the video at that. This thing is going to get a lot of use, and you're going to see a lot of footage from this on my videos. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you dudes in the next episode.